Welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima. In our last video, we unlocked powerful alternatives to very happy, very sad, very good, and more. If you missed it, make sure to check it out. Today, we are continuing our mission to transform your English, and we are going to explore even more game changing words. Let's jump in. Let's start with very fast. Forget about the basics. Here are words that will make you sound quick witted and sophisticated. Rapid. The rapid growth of social media has changed how we communicate globally. Swift. She made a swift exit from the event, as if she had somewhere important to be. Quick. His quick thinking saved the day when everything seemed to go wrong. Hasty. A hasty decision could lead to regret. Think before you act. Speedy. Thanks to the speedy delivery, I got my order in record time. Next up, let's transform very slow. These alternatives pack more meaning and power. Sluggish. The sluggish internet speed had us all waiting for ages to load the page. Lethargic. He felt lethargic after the long meeting, struggling to keep his eyes open. Tardy. She was tardy to the party, and when she arrived, the best part was over. Gradual. The gradual improvement in his performance gave him hope for the future. Delayed. The flight was delayed for hours and everyone was visibly frustrated. When it's freezing out there, don't just say very cold. Use these chilling alternatives. Freezing. The freezing rain soaked everyone to the bone during the outdoor event. Icy. We walked on the icy path. Careful not to slip on the slippery ground. Chilly. It's getting chilly tonight. I think I'll need a jacket. Frosty. Her frosty attitude made it clear she wasn't happy with the decision. Arctic. He braved the Arctic conditions to make it to the summit, his determination unshaken. Very hot doesn't do justice to intense heat. Here's how to turn up the heat. Scorching. The scorching sun made it impossible to stay outdoors for long. Sweltering. The sweltering heat had us longing for a cold drink and some shade. Boiling. The boiling water nearly burned me as I tried to take it off the stove. Blazing. We sat under the blazing sun, hoping the breeze would cool us down. Searing. The searing heat of the desert took everyone by surprise. Don't just say very tired. Here's how to impress with flair. Exhausted. After a long day of sightseeing, I was completely exhausted. Weary. He felt weary after traveling for hours, but still managed to smile. Fatigued. The team was fatigued after weeks of preparation, but they pushed through. Drained. The intense workout left me feeling utterly drained. Sleepy. The late night study session left me so sleepy that I couldn't keep my eyes open. Lastly, let's power up the phrase very strong. Powerful. His powerful speech moved everyone in the room to tears. Sturdy. The sturdy foundation of the building withstood the strongest of storms. Robust. The robust design of the new gadget made it nearly indestructible. Mighty. The mighty river surged through the valley, unstoppable in its pose. Indomitable. Her indomitable spirit pushed her to keep going, even when others gave up. And there you have it. You have just added amazing words to your English vocabulary that will make your speech sound more dynamic and engaging. If you enjoyed these lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Explorers with me, Ridhima. Hit the bell icon so you will never miss any other vocabulary boosting adventure. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.